Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic. Today I've got the absolute pleasure of showing you around this lovely 2014 64 plate Bentley Continental V8S. Now this is a lovely car, finished in Granite Grey Metallic, which is one of the most desirable colours for these cars. Now being the S, we've got the full exterior sports body kit, so we've got the gloss black detailing on the lower splitters, so on your front bumper, on your side skirts, on your rear bumper. We're riding on these lovely 21-inch multi-spoke propeller style alloy wheels, diamond turned. We've got the gloss black in the centres. They're in absolutely fantastic order, riding on lovely Pirelli P0 tyres. We've got bright red brake calipers, lovely factory option, they just pop out from the wheel arch. We've got the V8S badging to the sides. We've got chrome detailing on your window surrounds. The lovely gloss black detailing, which gives it that lovely, low, sporty look. Now, this is a Mulliner package car, so full Mulliner interior. Lovely diamond style headlamps. We've got the headlamp wash there as well. Factory option wise, it is a lovely car. Colour combo looks superb, so we've got the dual tone wheels, black detailing, and then when you poke your head inside, you're greeted with this lovely light linen leather sports seat. Mulliner package giving it this lovely diamond stitch, perforated. Lovely Bentley embossed wings on the headrests. These are fully electric 3-way memory sports seats for driver and passenger. These are heated and cooling seats, as well as having the massage function, so when you're driving along, lovely massage on your back and your bottom. Looking through to the rear seats, they're in superb order. I'd probably say they'd never been sat in. Lovely order throughout. All the carpets, all the leather work. You can tell the car has been cherished by the previous owners. Actual paintwork, bodywork, all the panels are nice and straight. No signs of any scratches, dents, dings. Nice dual sort of quad style exhaust on the back end. It looks superb. We've got electric tailgate, so press of a button elegantly glides up with the factory option of the reversing camera as well. All the carpets in the back are in superb order, so it's never seen any hard use there. Down here you'll find a space saver spare wheel, again a very nice thing to have. 12-volt power outlet in the boot there. You've got your trickle charging point there as well. But just looks superb. Supplied with both keys, very good service history. Jumping inside, we'll start the car up. So again, V8S badging all throughout the vehicle. 3-way memory massaging function, that's all found on there. And then starting the car up, before we do, we've got the aluminium pedal set. Rumbles into action. And as we're doing the video today, this vehicle has only covered 47,260 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. On the steering wheel, this is another nice factory option. It's the dual tone wheel, so you've got the ebony leather with the nice lighter linen leather. Voice command, volume control, media, that's all controlled off of the steering wheel. Coming through to the centre, we've got the lovely Breitling centre clock. On the infotainment system, we've got our radio, which is a full DAB, so you've got all the extended channels. You've got your media also, so that's your Bluetooth phone. You've got SD card on this one as well. We've got satellite navigation. All your car information is on there as well, just takes a second. So there we go, we've got all the tyre pressures on there. You can adjust the speed, tyre type. You can really tweak these cars to exactly the way that you want it. Obviously we've got the S on the gearbox, sport mode. You can drive the car manually if you choose to. Electric parking brake is at the bottom there. We've got electric mirrors which are park folding. Dual zone climate control with air conditioning. Heated cooling seats as I'd mentioned before. Obviously electrically deployable spoiler. You've got your adjustable sport suspension. And then the actual fit and finish inside, you get this lovely dark wood veneer. At first glance you'd probably think it's gloss black, but then you look at it and it's got the lovely textures in there. Central armrest. Within there you've got a 12-volt power outlet and quite a bit of storage space. All of the documentation, wires, books, everything which was supplied with the vehicle from new is still with the car there today. Electric steering column. Lovely leather upholstered roof lining. The dual tone interior. There's a lovely sense of occasion inside. But if you'd like any more information, please do get in touch. You can give us a call on 01942 231 123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. But thank you for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.